How to create eye-catching social media designs like this in Canva. On the home page, click Create, Instagram Post, add background. For this, I would search for orange gradient background. Choose your most preferred option and set image as background. Now click Add a new page. Change background color of the new page to black. Add your text. Change font to your most preferred. For this, I am using Antonio. Rotate text to 90 degrees. Download only the page with the text as a transparent background. Once it's done, click Apps and search for Transform Image. Click this first option. Click Choose File and upload the downloaded image. Put your mouse on the image and move it around like this to change the perspective to however you want it to be. Once satisfied, click Add to Design and it will be added just like this. Now add your image. Add shadow. For this, would use gray drop shadow. Position shadow backwards to just be under the plate like this. Now let's add some steam to make it a bit more enticing. So we'll search for cigarette smoke. Add grain to the background to give it a grainy effect. You can decide to leave it like this, but I want to add text because the goal of this material is to sell. So add your text, and for this, my font is Poppins. Now this is what we have. Doesn't look bad, but I cannot read the text fully. So let us fix that. Now this is very good, and I can read the text fully just by moving the text forward. Now this is perfect. Let me know what you think about this. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to see more Canva tutorials just like this. Let me know what else you would like me to create in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.